Hello everyone. Today's topic is Male. It is in the Sevi Kannada textbook class 4. Here in this video we'll discuss all the question and answer in English. Here in this video I have written all the Kannada words in English. So it will be easy for all of you to understand what is written in Kannada and what is the meaning of that. So let's start. First question. Padagala Artha. Padagala Artha means word meaning. So let's see what are the words. The first one, Kadalu. Kadalu means Samudra. In English, the meaning is sea. Second word, Adda. Adda means Tade. In English, the meaning is across. Third word, Tanidu. Tanidu means Tampagi. In English, the meaning is cool. Fourth word, Belagu. Belagu means Prakasisu. In English, the meaning is illuminate. Fifth word, Suri. The meaning is Kelake Vilu. In English, the meaning is pour. Sixth one, Kavitu. Meaning Avarisu. Means cover up. So the next question is ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಒಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence. So we have to write the uttara means answer in one sentence. So the first question is Visila Jalake Neeru Enaitu means with the sun heat what happened to the water? So uttara is Visila Jalake Neeru Aviaitu. That means water evaporated with the heat of sun. So here in this question if you see in place of Enaitu you have to write Aviaitu and rest of the question is same. Second question ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿಯಾಯಿತು means is it rain what are all the things which became overflowed. So the answer is ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕೆರೆ ತೋರೆ ಹಳ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಳೆಯು ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿಯಿತು means due to the rain the lake the creek pit and the streams were overflowing. So the next question ಮೋಡ ಯಾವಾಗ ಭಾರವಾಯಿತು means when did the cloud get heavy? So the answer is ಮೋಡವು ಬೆಳಕೇರಿ ತಂಪು ತಗುಲಿದಾಗ ಆವಿ ತಾನಿದು ಭಾರವಾಯಿತು means as the cloud rose and cooled the vapor becomes heavy. So this is in the water cycle, you know water cycle. Okay, the concept is from there. So the next one Vittasthala Tumbiri means fill in the blanks. So we have to fill the blanks with the appropriate word which is given in the bracket. So the first one is ಮುತ್ತಿನಂತ ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸುರಿಯಿತು. In the blank space we have to put ಮಳೆಯ. The meaning of the sentence is the rain water poured down. So the next one ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಟ್ಟಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅದ್ವಾಯಿತು. So in the blank space we have to put ಗುಟ್ಟಬೆಟ್ಟ. It is meaning hill stopped the rain on the ground. Guttavita means hill. So the next one. ಘಳಿಗೆ ಏಳೋಗೆ ಬಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕವಿಯಿತು. So in the blank space we have to put ಮೋಡ. So meaning is within an hour sky becomes very cloudy. So the next one. ಮೋಡ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆರಿದಾಗ ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ತಗುಲಿತು. That means as the cloud go up it became dash. Tampu. Tampu means cold or colder. Next question. ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರದ ಪದ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means find and write the word that doesn't belong to the group means odd one out. So let's see. First one is kere, katte, samudra, surya. So the odd one is surya. Kere means lake, katte means water tank, samudra means sea, surya means sun. So lake, water tank, sea, this is same because they are containing water and sun is odd one. Next one, Minchu, Bhumi, Mare, Gudugu. So the odd one is Bhumi. Minchu means lightning, Bhumi means land, Male means rain, and Gudugu means thunder. Next one, Sarovara, Parvata, Betta, Gudda. The odd one is Sarovara. Why? Because Sarovara means lake, Parvata means mountain, Betta means small mountain, and Gudda means hills. Mountain, small mountain, hills, they are on same kind, and lake is different one. So this is the odd one. Next question. Noga, Kunte, Negilu, Muncha. So odd one is Muncha. Why? Because Noga means yoke, Kunte means rake, Negilu means plow, and Muncha means blade. So yoke, rake, plow, these are all instruments which we will use for field, and bed is the odd one out. Next question. ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ means synonyms. We have to write the synonym of the words. So the first one is Kadu. Kadu means wild or forest like that. So the synonyms are Aranya, Adali, Kanana. Next one, Surya. Surya means sun. So what are the synonyms of Surya? Aditya, Ravi, Bhaskara. Third one, Bhumi. Bhumi means land. So what are the synonyms of Bhumi? Yes, Dhare, Ele and Dhatri. So the next question. ಮಡರಿಯಂತೆ ಜೋರು ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Jodu means pair words. Okay, so we have to write the pair words. So first one is kere. So what is the pair word for kere? Kere means kere tore. Next one gudugu. Gudugu minchu. Third one kasa. Kasakadi. Fourth one muttu. Mutturatna. So these are the pairing word for the word given. Next question. ಮಡರಿಯಂತೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆ. Prasa means rhyming word. So rhyming word means last two letters or one letter should be same. So let's see what are the words are given. Tagulitu. So what will be the rhyming word for this? Togaritu. So here see itu is same. So the next word is kavitu. So rhyming word is gudugitu. Next one adavaitu. So rhyming word is melakaritu. So this is all the question and answer of Malay chapter. Hope I explained clearly and you understood it. And for the next video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.